Welcome back, you sexy mother truckers and truckettes, to the channel. Thanks for stopping in to check. It's April, and it's that time of the month. No, not that time of the month, but it's FlogBox time. So I just filmed this the other day, and you couldn't really hear too much of what I was saying, so I decided just to refilm it for you guys. So I already know what's in the box this time, but we're gonna open it up, check it out, see what we got in the April FlogBox. So let's see what we got. Since I already sliced her open, just so you guys know, this isn't sponsored or anything by them. I subscribe to the monthly subscription, pay for it myself. So these are all my opinions, and it is what it is. So get what you get. Get the truth. Alright, first up in the box, I'm not gonna let you guys see some of this information, but we got a $50 gift certificate for Flog. Next up, got a nice new Flog sticker. Who doesn't like a good sticker, you know? And first up, well, after that we got a nice shirt, Flog shirt, V-neck. On the back side we got Kalisha, pretty cool design. H&M shirt, nice and soft, I like that. Next up, it's starting to rain out, so I'm gonna go a little faster than this. We got a red one. Now again, the material is nice, smooth, soft. Kalisha on the back, I like red. Red and black are probably the two colors I wear the most, and some green. Nice stretchy shirt. Feels like it's gonna be a pretty comfortable shirt to wear. I like it. And to go along with the red and black shirt, we got ourselves some nice shorts. It's gonna be perfect for the summer. Got the Flog logo on the bottom left. Got a nice cargo pocket, which I like my cargo pockets. So yeah, these are gonna be nice and perfect for the summertime. If we ever get a summer around here, you know, it's been a little cold and been raining the last, well, yesterday it was real nice, super windy, and other than that it's been rainy and cold. So, and then last in the box, of course, we got our monthly poster. So let's see what we got here. This month's poster, see if you guys can see that or not. Pretty nice poster. So thanks guys for checking out this month's box. If you guys are interested in getting a Flog box, just go on over to the website flogindustries.com and sign up. So far it's been they've sent out some pretty cool stuff. I haven't been disappointed yet, so go check it out. And if you guys don't mind helping, give me the old thumbs up. Maybe leave a little something on the bottom for me to read. Share these videos to anybody else that might be interested in the Flog monthly subscription. And we'll see you guys in the next video. So remember, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Until next time guys, thanks again, and I will catch you on the flip side.